The next leg of our trip takes us from Sorrento to the town of Amalfi. Our boat excursion took us about 45-minute tour and a perfect way to enter into the town of Amalfi. The views are so incredible, it almost feels like a dream. Amalfi is a town in a dramatic natural setting below steep, sharp cliffs located in the southwest part of Italy along the Tyrrhenian Sea. The town of Amalfi is known for its hilltop churches and restaurants nestled among rocky cliff edges. One of the things that the Amalfi Coast is known for is for the world's best lemons. This truly is a masterpiece of architecture in the most famous square of the town. The Amalfi Coast brings tourists from all over the world. So be mindful when traveling. April to September is considered the high season, so it's typically a little bit more pricey to visit. The town is lined with little boutiques and restaurants and coffee shops, and a great place to do a little shopping, to find some souvenirs, to take back home as a little reminder of the Amalfi Coast. And we continued our quest to have pizza in every location that we were on this trip. The Amalfi is known for its lemons. So of course, when in Amalfi, you have to get a sorbet made from fresh lemons. And sadly, our time at the Amalfi Coast is coming to an end. We truly loved every minute of being here. And next time, we promise we will definitely stay longer and explore more of the Amalfi Coast. The Amalfi Coast is truly one of those places that you have to visit to believe it. Thank you, Italy, for your hospitality.